Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video comparing the Immersion blender versus hand mixer. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which blender is better. So the main difference between immersion blenders and hand mixers is their design. While hand mixers have a more boxy design with a whisk and two beaters to combine dry and wet ingredients, immersion blenders have a slim design with blades at their ends to puree ingredients. Therefore, hand mixers are a more versatile unit because of their use in multiple recipes and the ability to smoothly blend various ingredients. Versatility. In terms of functionality, hand mixers prove useful when you are semi-blending or mixing various ingredients, especially dry and wet ones. On the other hand, an immersion blender mainly works on wet ingredients by blending them, and this comes in handy when pureeing ingredients or making soups. Hand mixers win in this category because of their greater versatility. Blending power. Hand mixer beaters will usually rotate at slow rates when mixing ingredients, so you can't use them to beat very large batches at a time. However, immersion blenders have a more powerful blending capability and don't have capacity limits. Immersion blenders win due to their greater and faster blending power. Ease of cleaning. Immersion blenders only have a blade housing, which is the only part requiring regular cleaning, and it's easy to remove. In many cases, these blade compartments are dishwasher safe. On the other hand, hand mixers are more challenging to clean because of their multiple parts. Although they're not painstaking to maintain, cleaning them gets more time-consuming compared to immersion blenders. Immersion blenders win in this category because they're easier to clean and maintain. Comparison table. From the table above, you can tell that a hand mixer is more versatile in the ingredients it can blend, thanks to its multiple attachments, while an immersion blender works best in blending soups or sauces. However, hand mixers are more challenging to keep clean and store, as they have a bulkier design than immersion blenders. Similarities. Both modern immersion blenders and all hand mixers will have similar attachments, and you can use both to mix and blend ingredients. Verdict. So which is better? Both blending machines work well in the kitchen, and it's worth it to have both. However, we choose the immersion blender because of its more powerful blending capacity, ease of cleanliness, and more compact design that fits well in small and large kitchens alike. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons that you'd like to see next from us.